Looks nice.
Let's see, get in it. Let's see Sammy the Sailor.
Yeah, I don't think it should be that hard to bend a new piece of plexiglass. As long as I might even make like a plywood mold to get it perfect, and then form it around it or something.
Yeah, I saw online how you heat it up just gently and keep
Yeah.
But you got the mold, you know, that's the beautiful part.
We'll probably get it out in the lake today just to find all the leaks and mark it.
Like, little does he know, you gotta get it back to freaking Wisconsin. Yeah, the old 50s, this stuff was insane. Yeah, they just were kind of like, yeah, close enough, it'll work. Put more horsepower on it, cast it on, you know.
Oh yeah.
So, I pulled it out. It was holding like perfect, I thought. But then this morning, when I moved the trailer last night because it's on another 12 bucks or a short block. But today it was down. Oh, so I think it's leaking. Obviously, I just filled it up. It's 30 pounds.
As long as it makes it home.
Yeah. So, anyways, what I wanted to tell you, I was like, I stripped most all of it. One guy came after you wanted it. He came and he took a mold of this piece because I
seen a lot of people online trying to get a mold.
Exactly. This is like the rare. This you can sell this for the price of the boat, right?
And that's aluminum too.
No, it's a piece of it's fiberglass.
Oh, okay.
And it's actually got a little piece of wood in it. But yeah, this was the original. So you can use this as which is awesome for a temp.
That makes it so much easier.
Yeah.
Just trace it.
For some reason, this was the only cutout they did in it, and they put this on, and it was like, it was weird, why?
Yeah.
But it looks cool.
Yeah.
And it really, and it fit nice.
I'll see if I can polish that thing up.
Oh, you can just, yeah, you can just paint it with the rest of it. Anyway, this is the rubber molding too, which goes around. It just clips on, snaps on the outside. And that is another piece that nobody has. Because that's a rub rail that you'll never get to replace if you want to.
Yeah.
This was, I guess, kind of the original-ish seat, but it didn't have the original upholstery on it. But I think this is the true pattern as it sits, but it's like ready to...
Yeah, I saw online the guy's got the full plans.
Yeah, but that's pretty intense. But he went back to the original with the whole cutout in the back and everything. I'm like,
I might.
You know, whatever turns you on with that one. I got the panels here that go on each side of this.
Whatever I do, I got to do it right.
Whatever turns. I don't want it to. You know, the nice thing is too with the aluminum, it's like you don't have to deal with fiberglass breaking, cracking.
Yeah,
fragile.
I wanted a fiberglass one before until I got into working out how much the gel coat is.
Yeah, when you start mixing on, this was all original. That was little old lady had it ever since the beginning. Yeah, the '59. She bought it in 1960. I got all the original seat cushions on it too. They're all good condition. So
Original windshield and everything?
yeah. That's all. The whole beast is all original on it. And you know, it's starting to get scary, but I take it out.
Yeah.
Put your sister in the back. That's good enough for that. She'll water ski on it. But this thing would be fun in the water because they're both 14 feet, and look how there's like half the width. And
I know.
I mean, this thing is just a skateboard.
Well, it's still bigger than my little 12-footer, but
yeah, not a lot when you put that big ass engine on, you know. So this is the original seat, and it still has the original. The brackets are here for that go on the seat here, and underneath here, this is the transom too.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll use that. Make a mold. Right. You can use that because this one has like a steel plate in between, sandwich in between them, or they have it online, which goes on the back. And I would put like an extra bracket there. There's not much to.
Yeah.
They didn't put much of these things. I'm like, geez, guys. Well, and you know that's the thing with these old boats. There's nothing practical about today's day using them. You know what I mean? You get out there on the lake, you're gonna look like anything more than a wave, and you're gonna be like, oh, aren't you? You know, you're going over.
Yeah.
I'm serious, man. But that's all they had on it. You know, they were all like that, so it wasn't a problem. Yeah, you'd be hot looking, boy, when they look at you now. And then with turn signals. This is the holy grail too. This is like the lightsaber of all, baby. Hang on to that because that's worth everything. Because you're not going to find these anymore. I mean, there's like nobody even knew that they existed on the boat, and it was because, and the guy was like, oh yeah, here it is, and I'm like, oh my God, you got that? We got the flag. This was the original wheel on it. This is one I bought on eBay afterwards. It's a lot nicer condition, so I thought, cool, take that. And here I've got 2 original manuals or brochures.
That's
color.
awesome.
Yeah, they're really cool. So there's a 58 and a 59.
Wow.
So you can kind of see, you know. And this is the 58 one. It was pretty cool. And then there was some stuff up with the engine, the brochures on the engine. Ceiling.
If we've actually got the 4 people in the boat, we might be under the water line with that motor and the gas
4
tank.
people in the boat. What's he think? He's got
4
Does
seats.
he have 2 friends?
Maybe.
Yeah, right. He's got 2 friends. Dude, it ain't gonna fit 4 people in this thing.
It's got 4 seats.
Oh yeah, right.
And the original canoe's
You
probably
put
rated for
one
2
in the
people.
front and one in the back.
Yeah. Wow. Some of them are just stock.
That's insane. Yeah, I don't have my card here. If you get it on tape, if he does.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Have the evidence here.
Yeah, that's right. It'd probably be the best thing I would think. Do you need to grease those balls or not? I don't know. Probably not. They're so shiny and nice.
Yeah, they're all. You know that she found that in the road. It fell off someone's truck, and that's like a $300 hitch.
I was gonna say that's pretty sassy. You usually put the cow balls on it there or something. Yeah, they're cow balls. That's what they are dangling, right?
Are there any leaks you can see, Kaylee? I don't see a
I
single
do
one.
not see any.
The drain plug's leaking because it's too small. Is that where all that water's coming from, or is that? We got it. We sprung a leak. Well, we've sprung a leak here. Back there. Gotta remember where these spots are. And that drain plug is too small. All of the support structure.